Oh my God. Oh my God, this is worn. Looks like a wave plate on this one. Stills I can use again, some of them. Looks good. All I know is these frictions are worn. So I was able to finish up following the previous 2 bids I did, 2000 Chevy Suburban. And this one, I overhauled the transmission. So I did find a 3-4 clutches were worn out bad. You can see in the video, previous video. So I did got a rebuild kit. I got it off Amazon for like a little bit over $100 bucks. And then I also needed a forward overrun clutch and then 3 and 4 pistons basically. So overrun, forward, and 3-4 pistons basically. So I did check like the clutch height with a filler gauge and the space in between the was like the backing plate or the snap ring and the actual friction plate basically. I'm within spec, everything looked good, and all my pistons work. Like I said, everything's straight. So what I'm doing right now in a couple minutes, I'm gonna put the transmission back in the truck. Usually it takes me like a little bit over an hour to get these in. These transmissions are not that bad because it's rear wheel drive. I don't have to take off the wheels or anything. So I'll let y'all know how I made out on my test drive. I'm on a test drive. I got my camera out the window. Can't believe I'm doing this. I don't want to drop this. So I'm gonna face the everything went good. It was a little bit of suspect at first when I had put it in reverse. It didn't go in reverse, but I guess I had to let the fluid build up. So what I'm about to do now, I'm going on my test drive, and hopefully I don't run through all my gears, but I want to run through all my gears on camera, not off camera. And I'm gonna put the camera at the tachometer, and then we just gonna see it shift, and that's that. First gear, second, third. Oh my God, I'm happy. Come on, give me 4th. I'm up a hill right now. Come on. I'm gonna ease off the gas on so good shit. We in 4th gear. Oh my God, I'm hyped. I'm effing hyped. All right, y'all, so I'm hype. Let me roll on my window so we can hear. I'm hype. So everything worked out cool. So what I replaced, if you want to know, I'm all out. I replaced the so 3-4 clutches were burnt out. I used all my steel plates all over. It was a little bit of, you know, you had to scuff them down a little bit of debris from the clutch material on there, smudge, sludge, whatever you want to call it. I also replaced a bunch of seals, couple gaskets, seals for both of my servos, 2-4, and then I think the 1-3 or something like that. And then new spacer plate for the valve body, all check balls in its right location. I wasn't missing no check balls, but I did drop one I couldn't find. But I do got another one in the kit. I replaced the forward, the overrun, and the 3-4 piston. I replaced those. They cooled them up nice and good. Everything is Gucci. Everything is great. Leekautorepair 4L60E. I don't care if it's an 80. I don't care if it's a 6L. I don't care if it's an 8L. I don't care if it's a 10L. I rebuild all of them. Make sure I hit that like button. Make sure y'all subscribe. Anybody got any transmission questions? I am a transmission technician. Anybody got any questions? Y'all can hit me up. Not a problem at all. I am very helpful. Leekautorepair@gmail.com. You can hit me up on my Instagram at Leekautorepair. I'm hype. I want to get back on the road. I got work to do. I got money to make. So this rebuild was successful. I'll holla at you.